Welcome to Shanzu village with Joseph.
Yeah.
We are nearby Mombasa in Kenya, and today we're gonna see how is the village. You're gonna show me the interesting things over here.
Yeah, over here, yes. Welcome. We have just arrived at Shanzu village with my friend. This village is a big village. We have got about 1,200 residents living here. 80% are Christian and 20% are Muslim. But we live together as brothers and sisters.
Nobody has problem with each other.
No.
That's perfect. If we leave the road that enters the village and we cross this little path,
This is prison. Yeah.
where are all the palms is the prison.
Prison, yeah. Behind the palms there is the building.
How many prisoners do they have?
More than 2,000.
More than 2,000 people.
Or more people.
So 1,000 people in the village and 2,000 in the prison. But
Because it is a national prison.
a national prison, but looks so romantic and nice with the palms. And we do have an incredible, huge mango tree. I love mango. Mango shake, mango juice, everything with mango. This one is the main road of the village.
Yeah, this is the main.
Okay. Very colorful over here.
Yes, this is some shops.
Here shops. What time do they open usually?
I think maybe they don't have people operating, but normally by this time they should have been open.
Okay.
Because maybe of rental, they have to pay rent every month.
But I love the colors. Super nice.
Nice colors.
Sasa.
What was it?
The cinema.
Where the people in the village.
How is it made, the cinema in the village?
It's just a television and a DVD player.
Okay.
This is the program here
So, and it's a fixed program. Yeah, at every hour.
at every hour.
Do people pay to get it?
They must pay.
Okay, how much do you pay to go inside?
For one film, 50 shillings.
50 shillings to watch one of these movies.
90 minutes, yeah.
And how much time do the last movies? Like they change them every week or?
They change them every week.
Every week.
Every week. Yeah.
Very nice.
Normally they go in the normal times up to 12 midnight, but now because of the curfew.
Yeah, of course I can see.
8:30 is the
Wow,
final.
that's interesting. Wait, let me check if I can see the TV inside. No, I cannot.
I say the people when there is not the cinema, they are idle because they don't have newspaper or such, so they just make children.
Okay.
That's why one family has got 10 children, the other family 5 and more.
Okay, so if you want to have less children, buy a TV or have the cinema running.
Or a newspaper.
Or a newspaper.
Yeah.
I get a book, something.
Houses we have, we don't have, each person does not have their own house.
Okay,
We have to rent and pay per month.
yes.
So one family has one room, the other family has got another room, and then the other side the same.
Okay,
They use one toilet and one bathroom. So sometimes if you have the diarrhea, it's a very big problem.
so the whole building is a complex of rooms that make houses. How much do they pay for rent?
$30,
$30
$40 per month.
Okay, I actually lived in an African village for a couple of weeks.
Okay.
If you had to go to the toilet, it will be the latrine.
Latrine, yeah.
Yes. Go check out that video.
This is the cemetery. When the villagers die, especially the children, they bury them here.
They bury them here, but
As you can see the cross there.
there is a. But there is only one cross. So is it a new cemetery?
No, it is very old, but when sometimes they take it out and then they bring a new one.
In your village, they usually burn people, or they put the full body under
The full body.
the full body.
There is other one there
So there is one there.
and one there.
The one there I cannot see, but
The
okay.
other one here.
Oh yes,
This is the tree palm where they are going up and take the palm wine.
the palm white.
Palm wine.
Ah, the palm wine. You call it palm wine. Is it palm oil?
Oh, sorry.
I was about to fall.
Very sorry.
No problem.
Climb with this. Tan, tan, tan. They make these steps because they are goal
Wow.
to get up there.
Yes.
Yeah.
So people make these steps. They go up there and
Either to take the fruit or to make the wine.
So they're very strong men when they go upstairs, or they're very light people?
Light people.
Light people, yes.
They are used to this.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, it's like when you are singer, you know how to ride a bicycle.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can't forget it.
How many meters is this thing? 6? 7, 8?
I think 15.
15? No,
If more?
I think maybe 10. Let's say 10. Wow.
This big tree is also a mango tree.
Wow.
It is used by the chief of the village. On Fridays, he comes here in the morning with a bench,
Okay.
so that he sit down. If any villager has a problem, must come to him and
Okay.
report.
So the chief of the village sits down under the tree?
Yes.
Because this is the biggest tree of the village.
Yeah, it's the biggest.
Well, Can you make me an example of a problem inside the village? Like, what could be a problem? Like, why should I go to the chief to solve my problem?
The problems are like marriage,
Okay.
domestic problems,
Okay.
and they also, when I say domestic problems, this comes from the alcohol.
Oh,
When people are
okay.
drunkard or stealing and such things, not so much, but mostly domestic
Fighting. Mostly.
fighting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is selecting the chief in the village?
We vote for him.
You vote. And how many years chief has power?
5 years.
5 years.
5 years.
So it's a very long time.
Very long time.
Okay.
This is a sausage tree.
Sausage tree.
When the elephant they eat, they get drunk.
Really? When the elephants eat these sausages,
They get drunk.
they get
yes.
drunk.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And do we get drunk too, or
Yes. Also, we human we can get drunk from there.
that's totally incredible?
This is how the houses look like. Yeah. Inside.
Typical house. So usually
Yes.
people do work in the village, or they do work in Mombasa. What do they do? Like if you live in-
Some they are the tuk-tuk driver, the motorbike driver, riders. Some they work in the cement factory.
Okay.
Some in the hotels. Some they have got businesses, such things.
For example, for the school they need one of these, the big one. How much do they cost, the big one?
About 1,700.
1,700.
shillings.
Okay. This one is like a church.
This is a church.
This is a church. This is a modern house. Very nice, pretty plants everywhere.
Flowers.
And flowers. And over there we have a typical authentic village house. This is totally made of mud and wood, right?
This is a wood from the sisal.
And mud. The roof is made from this plant over
From
here.
the plant, yeah.
Very nice. 2021 and there are still people living in a mud house. Hopefully they're happy. Behind the church there is the tomb of the pastor. Look, this is very... So practically around the mud they are building
They are making this and then they will take away the mud.
Yeah, okay. So once all the bricks are ready, they will take away the mud.
Yes, exactly.
That's beautiful. Oh, wow. This one is gonna be super stable, at least since so. So, in this case,
Yes.
like when they build the houses, it's not mud, it's not rock, it's not cement. Is it cheaper than mud building a house like this, or not?
It is almost the same, but this one is more stable because the iron sheets they stay longer than the mud, especially during the rain.
Okay, but it's super hot inside compared to the mud.
Especially in these months, it is very hot inside.
Wow. So people trash everything down there because you have no bins, or
They don't have bins.
They don't
and,
have bins.
They throw it there, but sometimes they will come
the government.
the government and collect it. Too.
So the government prefers that you trash everything in the land.
They don't necessarily prefer it, but it must be done like that.
And of course, M-Pesa shop, they never miss them anywhere.
Ah, yes, they are everywhere.
Yeah. But when I see this empty, it means that usually they rent it out to sell food, or...
This is for selling food, but maybe the owners they are still at the market
Okay.
to collect the stuff.
So here we do have a mud and rock latrine. Civilization. It took me a while to get used to the latrine.
Oh,
It was just wood and a hole in the ground.
which village is that? My friend?
Nyabo Hanse. This is a barber shop.
Yeah, but
Oh yes, the banana trees. The banana to cook and fry. I love the banana chips.
Yeah, it's very good.
Very good. This is like a pharmacy, a chemist,
The clinic.
a clinic.
Clinic, yeah.
Okay. That's a house, or
Yeah,
so that's the skeleton.
yeah, the skeleton before they put the mud.
Okay. So you always make such skeleton before putting the mud. At which age do children start school?
They can start with very small, but just going to playing. But really, school is from 7 years.
Here, little goat. No, do you want me? Here.
Santi.
This place, Sweet Sleep. Is it a hotel? Such a name. Look at this building down there.
It is in the center of the village.
This is the center of the village.
Yeah, center of the village.
So the richest people of the village, they live in that building.
They live in there, yes.
Yes.
Sure.
That's where the rich people of the village hide.
Yes.
Do you want a bottle of water? So that's the main shop for material for cooking.
Yeah, material.
Just in front of the mosque. Best Lady Saloon and Benjal Auto Paints. A village stall. That's the bar where people can go have a drink.
Yeah.
Very fancy with all these plants, you know. Monaco apartments, bar and
There is
restaurant.
also some rooms there.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So after you get drunk, you can rent a room and
and they
save
have-
your life.
Like
What are they planting here?
this is a spinach.
Spinach.
Spinach, yeah.
Wow. Ah, okay. Yeah, the first one I can recognize is spinach because it looks a bit different from the plants in Italy.
This is African spinach. Yeah.
African spinach.
African
Okay, I get
spinach.
it. This is like beach houses in Italy, on the beach. We are at the end of the village. There are bars, restaurants, places where to play pool. And thank you so much, Joseph,
Yes.
for this tour.
Yeah,
Now I'm gonna take a matatu to go back home.
yeah.
So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep reading and believe in your dreams. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
You got 9 hours?